Here is the Lenovo C640, a fantastic, ultra-thin, light and super portable laptop. I got this particular model directly from the Lenovo website. This is the i7 10th generation 1051OU. It's 8GB RAM and integrated HD620 UHD graphic. Plays it a good option with the specs in this price range. Although some people will disagree, but I'll tell you why I made the decision to buy this before I did. It's a 2-in-1 laptop offering nearly 20 hours battery life. I say nearly 20 hours as it is advertised, but it does have a larger battery and lasts longer on low settings, nearing about 12 hours, which is still pretty good. This particular machine comes manufactured with a 512GB SSD memory and it only weighs 1.25 kilograms. Pretty impressive, making it an ultra lightweight and super portable machine, which is really good for people, designers, students, workers on the go, especially content creators. Also has a fingerprint reader, a backlight keyboard and a pen. I'm going to do an unboxing, but I'd like to tell you that this model from the website comes packed with a good Lenovo stylus pen for its screen. It's good for content creators. The pen, however, is not integrated within the device, meaning it's not garaged like you might find in other ThinkPad options with the device, which means we have a higher chance of losing it or misplacing the pen. So here it is. Here goes the unboxing and hands-on feel, after which I will go in depth to the pros and cons of this super friendly machine, which may help you decide if you were to buy or not to buy. After removing the label, you will open the box with another small box which contains the pen that also comes with a cell, which is super friendly and helpful. I bought this after hours and hours of strenuous research, trying to find that near-perfect device within the budget for my personal work and study, as well as business needs. Hence, I needed all these features, and most importantly, the long battery life, replacing my old Dell laptop, which was about more than 10 years old, without a backlit keyboard, and gave me so much trouble since it became slow during my degree studies at Mihi. The reason why I chose this over a new Dell or the new Dell XPS was the battery life offering. The pen included in the price, and it being a 2-in-1, I got this just under £900. You can't actually open it with one hand, you will need the other. You see? But it's super easy due to the flexible hinge. In this particular device, the box comes with a UK 3-pin plug, 65 watts charger. The laptop only charges on one side, unfortunately, and is not USB Type-C. But that didn't matter to me personally. This machine has very tiny speakers, although they're Dolby Atmos, but Lenovo has improved that in subsequent models. As you can see, the yoga display, and also the power on button is on the right side. It comes with an audio headphone jack and 2 USB ports, in one on each side, one USB Type-C, and it has this ever helpful feature of webcam privacy, like many of the Lenovo products today. I know because I've heard about the previous Lenovo, which have a lot of great reviews about the IdeaPad T640, etc, but nevertheless I opted in for a bit more money, and for the money I bought this 2-in-1 just under £1,000, but with a fairly decent student voucher, as Lenovo often offers. So here it is, to the pros and cons, which may help you decide if you were to buy or not to buy. In conclusion to this video, I would like to say for the price, this is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop which is super light with a large battery and a great pen with a screen. It can be used in tablet mode, tent mode, laptop mode and presentation mode. And in competition, I couldn't find anything equivalent within this price, although I was not aiming for a gaming laptop or an editing laptop. But if that's not what you want, then this is a great choice for you. However, I will also tell you that I did return the laptop and I didn't keep it because I didn't find it as perfect as I needed, and I ended up buying a ThinkPad with a garage pen so that I never get to